I'm Nick here with MedTech World. Bastian Che with Labena Ventures. Good to have you.
Thank you, Nick.
Cool. You guys are in the business of creating a new hub in Eastern Europe for MedTech companies, right? You got like 23 pilots under your, or 23 startups under your belt and accelerating away.
Yes, that's correct. Actually, we kicked off our corporate accelerator, Labena Ventures, 2 years ago as a spin-out from Labena. Labena is a research and development company providing services, development and research services to biotech and pharmaceutical industries globally. Also FDA and EMA certified. And Labena Ventures is actually one step towards creating a hub. It's a corporate accelerator, unique of its kind in Central Eastern Europe, where we are focusing on really taking in startups that innovate in areas of biotech, medtech, health tech, and pharmatech. And currently this year we're running a second cohort where we're incubating 12 startups, and we have also under our wings 10 startups from last year's cohort.
Right. And your startups are across which particular specialisms, which areas?
Our startups are, so majority of startups we have are actually from the areas of MedTech, and then health tech, I think predominantly, and then we have a couple of startups who are more in biotech. So anything from MedTech devices that help with, for example, surgery of the meniscus, to for example new supplements or food supplements to treat anemia. So very different kind of innovation, as well as platforms to help aid in diagnosis of dementia and obviously other conditions. So
right. I understand that whilst you are dealing with the Eastern European area and creating a hub there, you're also open to startups, or more for looking for great startups to bring them in from all around the world, right? Are you here scouting? Are you going to watch our startup competition?
We are indeed. So we're here at MedTech World for two main reasons. So obviously we're very keen to build partnerships with investors, global investors, investor community, corporates, so representatives, CEOs, executives from corporate MedTech world, as well as we're looking for prospect startups that maybe that are in the early stage, but sufficiently in the late stage where they are already trialing the products with prospects or with customers, and they are in need of being accelerating, requiring support to find to become investor ready, to find their or conclude their next investment round, or they might need strategic support. So and you're right, we're taking in startups from around the world. We are proactively focused on Central Eastern Europe, but actually if you look at our startup portfolio, we have taken in startups from Portugal, US, UK, Germany. So there's no limitation in terms of who can apply for Labena Ventures Corporate Accelerator Program.
Wonderful. Thanks for coming to MedTech. Hopefully they find what they need, you find what you want, and look for find some great companies to support and accelerate
I hope so
across the
too.
world. Thanks very much for being here.
Thank you, Nick.
Great. Nicholas signing off from MedTech World.